Have you ever looked at your finances and felt like a ship adrift at sea? No compass, no map, just a whole lot of waves of expenses crashing down on you? Well, you're not alone. Millions of people are struggling to keep their financial heads above water. And one tool that's often mentioned as a potential lifeboat is the Goodbudget app. But here's the burning question, is Goodbudget really free? Let's dive in and find out. First off, let's talk about why budgeting is even important. It's like planning a road trip. Without a map, you might end up lost, running out of gas, and eating questionable snacks. A budget is your financial map. It helps you see where your money is going, where you can cut back, and where you can save for those things that truly matter. And that's where budgeting apps like Goodbudget come into play. Now, back to the big question, is Goodbudget free? Well, the short answer is kind of. Let's break it down. Goodbudget does offer a free version. It's like getting a basic map. You can create budgets, track income, and categorize expenses. It's a great starting point for anyone looking to get a handle on their finances. But, just like a basic map might not show you all the hidden gems or the best routes, the free version of Goodbudget has some limitations. For example, you might be limited in the number of accounts you can connect, or you might not have access to certain features like bill tracking or budgeting for irregular expenses. These limitations can be frustrating if you have a complex financial life. That's where the Goodbudget Plus subscription comes in. It's like upgrading to a detailed road atlas. For a monthly fee, you get access to all the bells and whistles. You can connect more accounts, track bills, set savings goals, and even share budgets with your partner. It's definitely a step up, but it comes with a price tag. So, is Goodbudget worth paying for? Well, that depends on your individual needs. If you're just starting out and want to get a feel for budgeting, the free version might be all you need. But if you're looking for a more robust tool to help you reach your financial goals, the Plus subscription could be a worthwhile investment. Remember, the best budget app is the one you'll actually use. So, don't feel pressured to spend money on a fancy app if you're not going to use it. A simple spreadsheet or even a pen and paper can be just as effective. The key to successful budgeting is consistency. It's about making small, sustainable changes to your spending habits. Whether you use Goodbudget, another app, or a good old-fashioned notebook, the important thing is to find a system that works for you and stick with it. And remember, budgeting isn't about deprivation. It's about making conscious choices about how you spend your money so you can enjoy the things that truly matter. So, go ahead, take control of your finances, and start building the financial life you deserve. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.